Namaste. Today you know about one of the 51 Shakti Peeths of Goddess where two eyes of Ma Shakti are worshipped. If you like the video, then don't forget like, share, subscribe and comment and tell how did you like this information about Shakti Peeth of Ma Shakti. Let's start. Naina Devi Temple find mention in Kushan period. It was built in 15th AD. Naina Devi Temple idol was installed by a devotee Moti Ram Shah in 1842. According to legends and also written in Vedas and Puranas, the historical temple of Naina Devi Temple is regarded as one of the 51 Shakti Peeth. Naina Devi Temple is the place where eyes from burned body goddess Sati fall when her corpse were being carried by Lord Shiva to Kailash Parvat. So goddess is prized here in the form of eyes. The Naina Devi Temple gets its name from the mythological legends that goddess Sati's eyes. In fact, the whole town Nainital, the Naini Lake and the Naini Temple, all three of them are named after the legends. The Naina Devi Temple is considered as one of the most sacred temples in the country, showering blessings on devotees from across the world. The great Shivalik range of Himalayas surround the town and the temple is guarded by the highest peak, Mount Nanda Devi, which is believed to be the sister of goddess Naina Devi. The temple is erected at the place where goddess Sati's eyes fell while Lord Shiva was carrying her corpse after being cut into 51 different parts by Lord Vishnu. The story goes back to the time of a great king Daksha Prajapati to whom the Sati was born. Meanwhile, Sati fell in love with Lord Shiva, whom Daksha never approved of. Nonetheless, Sati went ahead and married Lord Shiva. During the course of transitioning into a married couple, goddess Sati and Lord Shiva came to know about a yajna ceremony held by her father Daksh. The Sati's disappointment, Daksha did not invite her and her husband to the rituals. Being a daughter, Sati still went to the yajna ceremony, but angry Daksh insulted the couple. Goddess Sati could not bear the disrespect and jumped in the yajna fire, sacrificing herself. Lord Shiva could not bear the loss of her beloved wife and started performing God's dance of destruction, Tandava. Even after several pleas and trial from gods, Lord Shiva did not stop sensing the gravity of the matter. Lord Shiva decided to use his Brahmastra, the Sudarshan Chakra, and cut Sati's burned body in 51 pieces. Inside the temple, devotees have a darshan of three deities. On the extreme left is Mata Kali Devi, the center representing two eyes of Naina Devi, and to the right side is the idol of Lord Ganesha. After crossing the main gate, there is a big peepal tree on the left side. On the right side of the temple, there is an idol of Lord Hanuman. The main shrine of Naina Devi is bordered by 2 lion statues.
माता सुनंदा देनी है जय, माता गौरी अम्बा देनी है जय, ओ माता सुनंदा देनी है जय।
In the center are 2 eyes representing Naina Devi, Mata Kali to the left and Lord Ganesha to the right. 2 lion statues which represent the vehicle called Vahan of the goddess. During Nanda Ashtami, a big fair is organized in the Nanda Devi temple and devotees come for darshan and take blessings. This Nanda Ashtami festival is celebrated for 8 days in premises of Nanda Devi temple. A ceremony of statues, immersion of goddess Nanda Devi with her sister Naina Devi is celebrated on last days of the fair. Other holy occasion like Navratra, Chaitra fair is also celebrated. Devotees who want to visit Naina Devi temple, Nainital, take personal vehicle, rented vehicle and buses anywhere from India. It is on direct road connectivity. The temple is 35 km from the nearest railway station, which is Kathgodam railway station. You can hire a taxi cab from the railway station to reach the temple. The temple is located 55 km away from the Pantnagar airport. Once off the flight, you can hire a local taxi cab to reach the temple. Please like, share this video and subscribe Uttarakhand Temple History. God bless. Take care. Thanks.